are learning Gulabi Aankhien. So we'll need 4 chords. So the chords are A minor, G major, or you can do like this, or in the bar, G major, then F major without bar, F major, and the last chord is E major. So now the strumming pattern is very easy. So I will slow it down. So it will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So on the A minor chord, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Then on the G, same strumming. And you will end it on the downstroke. So it will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. End it on the downstroke. So in slow mode, so down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So it will sound like this. And here's the thing, if you can do some mute skill like this, then it will sound better. So you just need to do like this. On the down, up, down, then mute little bit, then again down, up, down, mute. So it will sound like this. So it will be Gulabi Aankhien, so teri dekhi, sabi ho gaya, samalo mujhko, oh mere yaaro, samana mushkil ho gaya, tumhe mere ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे So guys, that's all. If this will help you, then please do subscribe and share, and let me know what should I do next and my mistakes as well. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys.